Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you a full guide or a full tutorial about Warrior Plus affiliate marketing for beginners. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open your preferred browser and make sure of course to go to Warrior Plus or type Warrior Plus affiliate marketing. Once you do so, make sure to click on the first link and this should take you first of all to their website. First, if you don't have an account, make sure to go to the top right corner, sign in, and make sure to sign in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, go and click here and make sure to create an account right away. As you can see, creating an account is very simple. You will need just a username, password, and email address. Let me fill up those stuff and I'm coming back. Once you fill up all those informations, just go here and click on create account. So, of course, I need to add one character it seems. I'll just add an X. I'm not a robot again. I'm just going to uncheck this button so they don't keep sending me emails and click here on create an account. So as you can see, once I create my account, as you can see, a small video here will play. It's 4 minutes up. You can watch it if you want to. They'll basically just ask you to verify your email, and of course you can do that by your own. You can just go to your email provider and they will send you of course a verification link. You'll need to click on it to activate your account. As example, here in my case, I'm just going to my email provider, which is Gmail, and I will find. Okay, so I just waited like 10-20 seconds and I received the email. And as you can see, once I receive it here, I will have to click on this specific link to complete the registration. Once I click on it, I'll be taken to a new page. And as you can see here, they will ask me to log in into my account. For me, I save my credentials, so I'm just going to enter that, then click on login, and I should be good to go. As you can see, you'll find another video that will explain a lot more about Warrior Plus if you want, and it's preferably to watch this video, but if you know some stuff as an example, so here they'll just tell you like welcome to Warrior Plus. As you can see, what's the first reason you create an account today? So if you want to sell your own products as a vendor, if you want to earn money as an affiliate for other people's products, and if you want to buy products and services related to online business and marketing. So of course, it's up to you to watch this video. And if you don't want to, you can simply choose the one that suits our needs. For our case, as we said, we want a full tutorial about affiliate marketing. So of course we can go and choose this second option. Once we go and click on that second option, as you can see, this will take us to basically a small article here that will take us through basically affiliates marketing. Of course, if you want, you can read it all up so you can understand more about that, but it's totally up to you. You don't have to. This video should be enough. We can go just through the headings example. So here, welcome, like then set up your account, and of course add some merchant accounts, discover high quality offers, requests to promote offers, maximize your earnings, secure payments with the Warrior Plus wallet, launch the calendar, contest the page, and that should be good to go. As you can see, very easy. So, an example, let's say we are going to follow this article. Here we can just go set up your affiliate account by starting on clicking here. So, an example here, you'll have to fill up all the informations and add all the informations on your profile. Why is that? Because this will make you more trusted so you can land more affiliates to your account. So make sure as an example to add your full name, location and time zone, and also your country. Of course, if none of those are added, make sure to add them. And of course, you can add other informations which will make you or make your profile much better. You can also, as an example, connect your Facebook account, LinkedIn, Google, Twitter if you want to, so you can make your profile more reliable. Make sure to also make or add a picture of you as an example, because this also will make you more reliable and trusted as well. So for me, I'll just add some random informations here and come back. As you can see, once I try to update my profile, now they'll tell me that your full name is pending. So if you try to change your full name, you'll have to wait from 1 to 2 business days until they accept your full name and it seems or it's looking like a reliable or a real one. So of course, if you're trying to update your profile, you'll have to basically to finish what they're saying here. So add in the full name and location. So once they accepted that, you'll have to come back here and update your profile. After that, of course, you'll have to go and add a merchant account. So of course, make sure to go here and click on add a new account or new account. And of course, you can simply add your PayPal, your Stripe, your Pioneer, your bank account. It's totally up to you to choose whatever you want. On whatever option you clicked, as an example, if we click on PayPal, they'll tell us to log in into our PayPal account. The same as example will be for my Stripe and all the other options. So once you add your merchant account, it's time to start discovering the offers for affiliate marketing. So, an example to view their affiliate offers, we can click here. We'll simply just click here, and here we'll be able to see all the affiliate marketing offers that we can choose one from and start working on that. Of course, as a beginner, you may get overwhelmed with a lot of offers here, and you may want to know, oh, which one should I choose specifically? I have a lot of options. Here, it's basically totally up to you to choose the right product that suits your needs. Of course, you can make sure to choose something that has some high conversion rate. What do I mean by that? It's simply this one. Of course, what you're looking for should be 5% or more. This is a good conversion rate to start with. Whatever conversion rates below 5%, do not go for it. Other than that, make sure to look also for some low refund rate, something around 5 to 10%, as you can see right here. If something is not around 5 to 10%, do not go for that as well. Of course, you would like to look also for some solid vendor rep, which basically means a lot of past launches or sales. So as an example, if you go here to sales tab, make sure to look for someone that has a lot of sales, low conversion rate, and something between 5 to 10 refund rates. This example will narrow down your choice from a lot of options at least to specific good products or offers that you can choose from that. Of course, you can even use some filters here if you have a specific vendor name, if you have offer title or keyword, or even you can sort them by pulse score, launch date, sales, visitor value, average sale, conversion rate, and vendor. Of course, you can like use sales if you want to. Here you have also other filters like show pre-launch, show recurring only, if you want also show some stats, and here by category. And of course, once you've set up your filters, you can simply click on search. And if you want to reset everything, you can always go here and click on next. As example, let's say I want to sort them by sales. And here's example. I don't know if I should add any stuff right here. Of course, you can even show stats if you want to. If you don't want to, you can remove that. And as example here, they will show you the ones that has the best sales. Of course, you can ignore this first two. Normally, it's just advertising. You can look into them if you want to, but you don't have to. You can start from here, the white ones. So, as example, let's say we find here, okay, let me just look for a good one. Maybe as an example, this one looks cool. Yeah, this one looks good as an example. So, online revenue system. Of course, we can first of all go and read more about it. Not only if we find like a good numbers, we just go with it right away. Of course, we'll have to go and read more about us about affiliate information. So, example, this is launching at this time. You will get 50% commission on front end, 50 commission on upgrades, 24,000 as example plus on GV prices, and a lot of other stuff. So, just go and look for the one that you want, and now you will be able to start your affiliate marketing journey. But of course, you may see here that I'm not able to do it. Why? Because I need to request approval. As you can see, for me, this offer is not accepting new affiliates at this time, so please try again or contact the vendor for more info. So as an example, because I am a new affiliate, I am a beginner, as an example, this specific offer does not accept new affiliates. Of course, this will be the problem with a lot of other offers. So if you didn't find like a good offer that accepts new affiliates, you can start, as an example, to build first of all a portfolio. You can start with maybe some bad offers at the start, and then you can go and higher and aim for higher, as an example, offers. And as an example, let's say that I am just like a good fit for that previous one. Of course, all you need to do is just go and click on request approval, but for you, you will not find this option. You'll have to basically send your request affiliate approval. Of course, you can send a note like, hey, I'm a new affiliate example, focused on some quality traffic, and just honest content, and of course, be honest about everything. Don't lie, because lying will not help you. And of course, you can just add some you are planning to promote via email, maybe YouTube, maybe some ads as an example, and adjust accordingly as an example with whatever they're asking here and the information is provided. Of course, do not spam them. This is very important. And of course, you can add, I would appreciate my approval or your approval. And yeah, thanks. Something like that. A very simple message would help you get your affiliate offer. Of course, once you got accepted, you'll need to make your plan for your promotional channel, whether you're using YouTube, email lists, blog, website, social media, it's totally up to you. You can also create some bonus packages like PLR products, examples, some custom guides, some templates, some mini courses. You can also make or do some drive traffic, as an example. You can do it for free on YouTube, TikTok, Reddit, or paid via solo ads, as example, Facebook ads and Google search ads, and a lot of other options. And of course, make sure to track every data that you have because Warrior Plus will provide you, as an example, with the data or the link provided for you. And yeah, you can start optimizing from there. So that's going to be it for this guide. Just one last thing to say. I'm just going to tell you to avoid some stuff. So do not promote crap just for a quick buck. This is very important. And don't lie or fake results in videos or pages. Don't spam. Don't spam like Facebook groups or forums, and don't rely on your Warrior Plus branch on Digistore, example, ClickBank, on your own funnel long term. So that's my advices for you, and that is the guide on Warrior Plus affiliate marketing. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.